Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill Form 3520, Easy Method. Gather your gift or trust documents and your taxpayer ID, then organize amounts and dates before you begin filling any fields. Start with the top sections that identify parties and transfer types, enter numeric values using digits, attach schedules where requested, and review each page for consistency. Save copies and set reminders for any follow-up filings to avoid penalties later. In this video, I will explain how to fill Form 3520, Easy Method. Start by completing the identification blocks with names, addresses, and taxpayer ID so the form links to the right taxpayers. Carefully report exact dollar amounts using digits and include the dates of receipt or distribution for each transaction. Attach copies of trust agreements, bank statements, and any foreign paperwork requested. Then verify that schedules and signatures are present and accurate before filing. In this video, I will explain how to fill Form 3520, Easy Method. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video so I can make more clear tutorials. On another note, a quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading tax guides and long emails comfortably, and it makes studying forms less painful. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to fill Form 3520, Easy Method. Avoid common mistakes by entering zeros where applicable, matching amounts to supporting statements exactly, and double-checking dates and payer information. Never forget signatures, dates, or required attachments because missing items can delay processing or prompt audits. Use a final checklist to confirm every section is complete. Then scan and save copies for your records in case questions arise later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.